We begin with meteorologist Marty Coniglio in the backyard. Marty, obviously no one storm can derail our drought, but we need this.
It'd be nice to see a few more of these. I know they're a great inconvenience. They cancel flights. They make it tough to drive. But without these kind of storms, we don't get enough moisture to carry us through the spring and into the summer seasons. It is tough out on the roads, not only here, but out on the plains in Morgan County today. Slick roads, irrigation ditch, bad combination. Earlier, as I mentioned, that blizzard warning continues in Douglas County. And earlier in the day, blowing snow made it tough to see Skyridge Medical Center from the driveway of Skyridge Medical Center. 9 News reporter Todd Walker is in Castle Rock tonight. Douglas County's been the center of a lot of very poor conditions. How things looking now, Todd?
Just one more day tomorrow for the animals and for us to really put up with all this rain before hopefully a change.
And then maybe an opportunity to start assessing and cleaning up. And yes, the big thing that I want to emphasize is that tomorrow we could have the same kind of flooding that we had today. This down around Chambers, Sunstone Townhomes in Aurora. John mixed with these images there. We had flooding like this all over Aurora today. And in Cold Creek Canyon, parts of Highway 72 eroded, eaten away, or just gone in some of the curves. Scott Ledbetter up there today. We've had a lot of flooding in Jeffco along Cold Creek Canyon. Light showers continue tonight, especially from the North Metro up through Boulder and on into Fort Morgan. The heavy stuff has gone north. From north of Fort Morgan now to Sidney, Kimball, and headed through Sterling and up toward Julesburg. We're going to have some very heavy rain in those spots. I had about 1 inch to 1.5 inches north of Fort Morgan, about 1/4 inch in Fort Morgan. So the flash flood warning has been shifted a little north of Fort Morgan and Brush. It goes through northern portions of Weld County, Morgan County, and over towards Sterling. That goes until 10:45. I'll keep monitoring that in case we extend or push that warning out farther to the east. Here on the Front Range, showers to the north side of town, stretching from Boulder down the Turnpike into Westminster and Arvada, Louisville, Lafayette, and Erie. Also getting some rain, and we had some nice showers rolling through Fort Collins once again tonight as well. Tomorrow morning, light rain, fog, drizzle around the area in the morning. It picks up by noon, gets very heavy by late in the morning into early afternoon, coming in from the north and spreading south. Mountain areas and foothills areas will be hardest hit by this rain. It will continue through the day and last into the evening, finally moving down probably by 11 to midnight tomorrow night out of Jeffco and Douglas County. 1 inch to 2 inches possible in town, 1, 2, 3 inches of rain possible in the mountains and foothills. Northeastern Colorado looking for another 1 or 2 inches of rain. It won't have the hail and the strong winds that we had today, but there's going to be enough rain that could again cause flooding. So we continue with the flash flood watch through tomorrow at 6. So the kind of scenes you saw today in Aurora could be repeated in many other places tomorrow. That's what the flash flood watch means. Tomorrow's highs only in the 60s at lower elevations, 50s in the mountains and foothills. That's true here and in northern Colorado. Statewide, showers roll in with the cold air from the north. We'll get more rain in the west and southwest. So really from Steamboat Springs through Summit County, Vail area, all the way down through the Arkansas Valley and into southwestern Colorado, we'll get some rain as well. Foggy and cloudy over the northeastern plains as the showers really converge here on the Front Range by late in the day and shift to the south. Total rain, as I said, look for the pinks and reds here. That's the 1 to 2 inch rainfall that we could see through tomorrow night at about 11 o'clock. So flash flood watch until 6 o'clock for the Front Range, all the way back to Summit County and down to Colorado Springs until 9 o'clock tomorrow night from Grand Junction down south of Telluride, Durango, and Cortez. Highs 60s here, 60s mountains, 70s out west and down south. Get ready for more rain. Few showers tonight, cloudy overnight, 50s tonight, low 60s tomorrow, light showers in the morning by 10 a.m. through 4 p.m. That's where we're going to see our heaviest rain, and then it will start to shift south. Flooding a definite possibility coming up tomorrow. Monday, we dry in the morning, get a small chance for an afternoon storm. Mid-70s Monday, mid-80s with sunshine Tuesday and Wednesday, and we stay dry on Thursday as well.